Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to install Python in Windows under 5 minutes. Right now I have the 3.9.6 Python with a 64-bit Windows machine. So without further ado, let's get started. This video is sponsored by Thomson Electronics. They are the best dealers in commercial supplies of electronic components in India with high quality products and a wide variety of category to choose from. First go to a web browser and type in Python. You should see some result. First is a Python official website and also the downloads. I'm going to the python.org website. This is the official Python website. As you can see, the get started guide, docs, success stories, everything in the site. Then we gonna go to the downloads. As you can see, Python 3.9.6 has been released. Note that Python 3.9 cannot be used for Windows 7 or earlier. So we're gonna download it from here, or you can see a full list of downloads by clicking this link. It should redirect to a next page. And for the Python for different OS, Mac OS or Linux, you can get it from there. These are all the downloads. Then we click on download to get the Python 3.9.6. It should take some time to download. This is 64-bit I'm downloading here since my machine is 64-bit Windows. It's only 24.8 megabits. As you can see, it has been downloaded. This is the downloaded file in the download location. Let me open it. When we open it, you should see a pop-up with install now or customize installation. We choose customize installation. In the down bottom, you can see add Python 3.9 to the path. This is a must try. Then we have the optional features. First we have the documentation. Then the pip would be installed. Then the Python comes with the ideally Python. We will be checking later. Then click on next and click on install for users. As when we click on install for users, you can see a customized Python location. We need to do that. Then we click on download debug tools, download debug binaries, and you can change the customized location according to your need by click on browse and making a new folder. Right now I am doing the installation. Click on install. This setup process should take some time. Let me fast forward the video. Right now the setup works successful. We have got a pop-up over here. Let me close it. And we go to start and type in cmd to open the command prompt. Under the cmd, we're gonna type python -- version to check the Python version in our machine. As you can see, Python 3.9.6 has been installed on our machine. Another way by typing py -- version, it also gives us the version of Python which is installed in our machine. These are the two ways. After that, we will check the Python IDLE. Open IDLE Python. We're gonna print something called print hello. You can type anything under the codes. Right now I'm printing hello. And you can see printed hello, and we're gonna print something else. We will print. Then we click enter and we can see successfully printed xenomodif in the Python screen. This is how you can install Python in your Windows machine. We're gonna make new projects with Python. So do subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.